Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change ringtone in Lava A1 Josh mobile. So this is the Lava A1 Josh mobile. So if you want to change ringtone, just click menu here. Using 4 key, select gear icon. This is the setting icon. Click OK. Click profile. Select OK. Here you will see the option. Just tap option, then go to customize using 4 key and select this customize option, and here you will see sim1 ringtone. Just select the sim1 ringtone, then click option and you will see change option. Select the changes option, and here you will see just 4 ringtones here you will see. So from here you select any ringtone. Also you can select from your file, so I don't want to select it from my file. So here is the ringtone. Select OK, and that's it. In this way you can easily change your ringtone in Lava A1 Josh mobile. So hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.